Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 19, that is soil organic matter. The first question is total nitrogen of soil means available nitrogen plus fixed nitrogen. Next question, what is the composition of humus? 50% carbon, 35% oxygen, 5% nitrogen, 5% hydrogen. Next one, humic substances divided into three classes. What are they? Fulvic acid, humic acid, humin. In this, fulvic acid is the lowest molecular weight, humic acid is medium, humin is high molecular weight. Now fulvic acid contains both acid and alkali soluble. Humic acid contains alkali soluble but acid insoluble. Humin contains both acid and alkali insoluble. Now next question is, which is most susceptible to microbial attack? The answer is fulvic acid and the resistance is humin. Now in humus, how much percentage of lignin is found? That is 40 to 45 percentage, 30 to 35 percentage protein and rest are fat waxes. Lowest nitrogen content or white CN ratio slows down the decaying process. This is one of the condition. If when the CN ratio is white, that it have low nitrogen content, then will be decaying process. Now the CN ratio in plant is mostly 20 to 30 is to 1. But for CN ratio in sawdust is 400 is to 1. Which soil contain decomposed OM, that is well mixed OM in the soil? Muck soil. So muck soil are highly decomposed and well mixed organic matter in the soil, whereas in peat soil most organic matter are partially decomposed. Now peat soil contain pH of 3.9 which are acidic and it contains 10 to 40 percentage of organic matter. Next question, 10 to that is 20 to 40 percentage of total surface of nitrogen is in the form of bound amino acid. So this is the nitrogen for mineralization and immobilization. So 20 to 40 percentage of total surface soil nitrogen and 5 to 10 percentage of combined hexosamines. Now what is mineralization and what is immobilization? Mineralization is the conversion of element from immobilized form to available form as a result of microbial decomposition, and immobilization is the reverse of that, conversion of available form to immobilized form. Now when the CN ratio exceeds 30, immobilization occurs. When the CN ratio is below 20, mineralization takes place. This is a condition. Next question, major portion of phosphorus in humus is in the form of phytin. So this is very important question, that major portion of phosphorus in humus is in the form of phytin or its derivatives. Now next question is, CP ratio is more than 100 is to 1, then what will happen? Immobilization occurs. When the CP ratio, that is carbon is to phosphorus ratio, is more than 100 is to 1, then immobilization of P occurs. Next one, optimum temperature for nitrifying bacteria is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. If you want PPT, then download from our channel Go for Agriculture.